So let us understand what is meant by key in cryptography. So this section is dedicated to cryptography. So first of all, let us understand what key means. So I'm getting this help from this website. You can also refer this. So what is a cryptographic key? So in cryptography, a key is a string of characters within the encryption algorithm. We are going to see the encryption algorithm in this section. So what happens is you have some masses, for example this hello masses. Now whenever you send this hello message through the internet, hackers can basically get this original message. So here instead of hello, it can be some sensitive information, maybe the bank details, maybe the credit card details for the transaction and so on. So this has to be encrypted now, otherwise it is very easy to hack and basically get this password or some sensitive information. So instead of sending this plain text as a hello directly over the internet, what we do is we just use some encryption algorithm through this key. So now using this key, we encrypt this and we just send something like this message over the internet. Now the hacker get this message instead of hello. And this message, to decrypt it, to understand, to make the sense of this encrypted message, he or she needs this key. Now this key will be only available based on the requirement. So if it is very sensitive, then this key should be also private key. No one can have access to this key. If hacker get the message and the key also, if let us say if the hacker gets the encrypted message, which is this text, and the key, then obviously the hacker can easily get the plain text out of this key. So this key is also very sensitive information. So this key also need to be protected carefully. Now this hello is our original message. This is our encryption key, and this thing over here is called a cipher text, something that has been encrypted. Now based on this requirement of keys, there are so many algorithms that encrypts this original message. There are symmetric and asymmetric encryption. So if there is a single key to encrypt the message, then that is a symmetric encryption. But this key can be different types, maybe private key and public key. So two type of key. If there is two type of keys like a private key and a public key, then those type of algorithms are called asymmetric encryption. So symmetric if the single key is used, asymmetric if two different keys are used to encrypt and decrypt the masses.